अरे बा was어요. was어요.
Settle the issues. And now there would be further hearings. The next hearing is on the 22nd. No, what happens is when there are several statements made in the complaint, the authority has to narrow down that to certain specific issues. And once you narrow down that to certain issues, it becomes easy for determination as to who has to prove what and what are the issues that have to be decided. And so that's what it is kept for on the 22nd.
And so what remains the status of the license, renewed excise license of the restaurant?
License continues. Once the fees are paid, license always continues. But see, you must understand one thing, that here we are governed under the Portuguese Civil Code. Once we are governed under the Portuguese Civil Code, the ownership of the property is jointly in the name of the husband and wife. Understood? In terms of Article 1117, it's husband and wife. But the administration is always in the name of the husband in terms of law. But when the husband dies or any spouse dies, the administration automatically goes to the other spouse. So here the spouse already by automatic operation of law becomes the administrator of the estate. So there is nothing further that actually needs to be done. Then you have to, if you want to go for the apportionment of the estate, then you have to go to the civil court in any inventory proceedings, which has also been done here. And the court has also appointed the respondent here as the head of the family. Okay?
Thank you. The allegation is that the person who died has signed for the renewal of the license.
See, we are in a vibrant democracy. We respect the rule of law. The authority has issued us a show cause notice. We have filed our reply to that. Let us respect that.
Yes, the Excise Commissioner has today heard my complaint against the illegal bar license given to that restaurant at Asagaon, Sealy Souls Cafe and Bar, which is run by the family of Union Women and Child Development Minister, Smriti Irani. The Excise Commissioner has started the hearing today on that complaint, and the Excise Commissioner, after examining, has framed two issues to be decided over this matter by the Excise Commissioner. So those two issues have been framed, and the Excise Commissioner has now directed the respondents to file their written submission on these two issues. I pointed out to the Excise Commissioner that this license was obtained illegally by forged and fabricated documents. There has been a deviation in the established protocol, because an excise license can be given only if there is a running restaurant. In this case, maybe for the first time in the history of Goa, excise license has been given without there being a restaurant in place. I have also pointed out to the Excise Commissioner that the license was renewed in the name of a dead person. So all this is in total violation of law. So meanwhile, the other authorities are also seized of the matter. The Director of Panchayats has ordered also inquiry, because the Sarpanch has now given a written information to me that no construction license was issued for this restaurant. And now later, last week, it has come to light that the illegal field, in total violation of law, a tenanted field has been filled where this whole restaurant has been constructed. So the Town and Country Planning Department is also seized of the matter. So with all these three, the Excise, Director of Panchayats and the Town and Country Planning Department, all seized of the matter, I am sure truth will soon prevail, and those guilty in obtaining this illegal license and committing all those illegal acts of filling that tenanted field will be brought to book.
You said म्हणता की स्मृती इराणीच्या नावाचेर ना म्हणता ते.
Smriti Iraniche, I have never said that the restaurant is in her name. I have said, and I maintain what I say. The restaurant he is being run by the family of Smriti Irani. The whole world knows this, and that is a fact. So I have nowhere said that the license is in her name. The license was in the name of Mr. Anthony Gama, who has passed away. Now, one of the son has come today. The other son, because I have also pointed out, we need to know where the other son is. Although we know where he is, they have to come out with the truth and say where he is.
Very,
So,
very.
so how is the other son related to this property? Could you-
Pardon?
How is the other son related to this property? Is he one of the owners?
See, Anthony de Gama, according to the records, has two sons, Dean and Dale, and a daughter. So Dean has appeared before this before the Excise Commissioner, but Dale has not. So I have also drawn this attention to the Excise Commissioner that we need to know what Dale has to say on this matter too.
Sir, which are the two issues that are in front of Commissioner now?
See, the issues that he has framed. The first issue is the excise license obtained by submitting false and inadequate documents and by misrepresenting facts. This is the first issue. The second issue is, are there procedural irregularities on the part of the excise officials? So these are the two issues which have been framed, and the proceedings now will be guided by these two issues.
दुसरं लायसन किती होल्डार दोल्ला किती दोल्ला
No.
त्याचं लायसन कॅन्सल केलं होल्डार
No.
व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली
The next hearing is on August 22nd.
So until then, this cafe will remain closed or something like that, or
इज इट फंक्शनिंग
permittable
फंक्शनेबल
operate?
Different people say different things. People say that it is temporarily closed. I don't know, because the authorities will have to act. Now since the construction itself is illegal, and that is what the panchayat has admitted publicly, okay, by giving me information on the RTI that they have not given any licenses whatsoever. But more importantly, the town and country planning department, because of this land filling, that is a very serious issue. I have also pointed out to the town and country planning minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane. I have drawn his attention. I filed a written complaint with the chief town planner yesterday, and I'm sure they will act.
Any written submissions were made to the commissioner by either of the parties?
Yeah, they filed a reply today saying that they are the heirs and whatever. So I'll send you by WhatsApp.